Hello viewers, welcome to Dr. LK's English class. As far as writing skills are concerned, letter writing, article writing are very important for class 10th. And for class 12, letter writing, article writing, report writing, speech writing, debate writing, all these five are important. Even notice writing also, and some more are there. In my previous classes, I discussed letter writing, letter of complaint, letter of placing order and letter of inquiry. And today I am going to teach article writing. So let us learn article. What is an article? An article is a piece of writing which will be published either in newspapers or in magazines. As far as exam point of view is concerned, it is one of the most expected questions that tests the writing skill of students. The purpose of writing article is to describe or narrate places or persons or events, to express opinion on issues of social interest, to express opinion either in for or against the given statement. This is the purpose of writing article. The format of article. Here it is beginning with heading or title. You have to begin the article with heading or title, and immediately after the heading or title there will be byliner. Byliner is writer's name, and then starts body of the article, and first paragraph will be introduction para, and the second paragraph will be descriptive para which contains causes and effects. And in third paragraph there will be solutions and suggestions. In the marking scheme of CBSE, this question carries 10 marks. For heading and title and writer's name, I mean the byline, for that 1 mark, and content 4 marks, and expression 5 marks. So altogether 10 marks. It is better to write article in 3 paragraphs or 4 paragraphs maximum. Para 1 is introduction. Begin with eye-catchy proverb or slogan or question or surprising fact or statement or data to catch the attention of readers. Begin the article with either eye-catchy proverb or slogan or question or surprising fact or statement or data to catch the attention of readers. And para 2 is content. In this, causes, effects, or merits and demerits and the present situation will be written. And para 3, conclusion. Solutions, suggestions will be mentioned in the para 3. And what should the government, the public, the media, concerned authorities to do? That also will be reflected in the last paragraph, that is concluding para. And here is a model format. Have a look at this. Here you can see the title and writer's name. Title is here, Need of Afforestation, and writer's name is there. You can see it is Nidhi. And the first paragraph is introductory para. This is introductory para, the first paragraph. It is introductory para. And the next one is descriptive para. In this, causes and effects are discussed. And the third para is concluding para. Here you can see, this is the last para. Even if you want, you can write in 4 paras also. But remember one thing, the first para will be introductory para, and second para, third para also can be written as descriptive paragraphs, and the last paragraph will be concluding para. And these are the points to remember while writing an article. See that there is a proper beginning. The beginning should be very proper. Many a time we come across answers in which there won't be proper beginning. Students sometimes do not know how to begin article. That should not be. There should be a proper beginning. And be specific and use simple language. And try to avoid using passive voice verbs. It is always better to use active voice verbs. And ensure that the article is without any grammatical errors. See that there should not be grammatical errors. Write in 3 or 4 paragraphs maximum. And there should be a proper ending too. Just like there is a proper beginning, ending also should be a proper one. And here are some eye-catchy slogans. These slogans you can use in article writing. Don't be wild to wildlife. Go green to breathe clean. Let us burn to live and not to die. Stay strong and live long. Power saved is power produced. Global warming is a global warning. Take care of body and body takes care of you. And some more slogans. Energy conserved is life preserved. It is good to be Mr. Late than late Mr. Eat judiciously and exercise laboriously. Save nature and nature saves you. Care for air and polluting is not fair. Today's wastage is tomorrow's shortage. Fitness matters and wellness works. Shoot animals with camera but not with gun. These are eye-catchy slogans. If you can use them, there will be very good impression. And here is a sample question. Global warming has become a major threat to the mankind these days. The Earth's temperature is on the rise and there is a change in weather patterns. Write an article on global warming in about 150 to 200 words. Your Vinay/Vinita. This is the solved answer. Here you can see, this is the title, global warming. I put the title in bold letters, but you can do like this also. The beginning letter of these words can be written in capital letters, like G can be capital and here W can be capital. Remaining letters you can write small letters. And here you can see byliner, Vinita. This byliner can be either left side or right side or at the bottom. Anywhere you can write. It can be written either left side or right side, or it can be written at the bottom also. I'll read out the answer for this. Global warming is a global warning. The earth has become a microwave oven these days and the temperature levels are going up. It has become the most worrying threat to the mankind. It is one of the mind-boggling problems that the entire world is facing now. This is introductory para. I have written introduction about global warming. See, I have started this introduction with a very good eye-catchy slogan. Global warming is a global warning. And this is second para, descriptive para. In this, I discussed causes and effects. The continuous warming of the Earth's surface is caused due to the emission of CO2 in the atmosphere. Deforestation, burning of fossil fuels, usage of oil and gas result in rise of Earth's temperature. This also leads to damage of ozone layer, rise of sea level, floods and change of weather patterns. It is directly linked to the increase of greenhouse gases in our atmosphere, worsening the greenhouse effect. These are the causes and effects. These are the causes and effects which I put in second paragraph. And the last paragraph is concluding paragraph. It is not exaggeration to say that the survival on this planet will be doubtful if humans do not change their unclean habits. Every individual should feel the responsibility and see that the world's tropical forests are protected and renewable energy is widely used. Renewable energy, carpooling, recycling, etc. can help reduce CO2 emissions and thus fight global warming. People should join hands and try to save life on the earth. My dear viewers, I have written this as a sample answer. Of course, the answer is not lengthy. I want to put it in one slide so you can understand this, and this is the way to write article. Hope every one of you will follow the same even in your examinations also. And that's all for today's class. Have a nice day. Thank you.